Hello traders, and welcome to this new market update. I just opened the Audi USD pair, Forex pair, and I'm seriously I'm being it's crazy what I see on every chart I open. I get I don't understand how I can do these things. Seriously, every time I open a chart, I say, how can you do this kind of analysis, and how can you be so accurate? I don't have a, seriously, I don't have an answer. I don't have an answer, and I'm still questioning myself if I don't have maybe a crystal ball or something like that. Or I have no idea. Like here, this you can find like an analysis I did on the in the Audi USD pair. Of course, I have said at the beginning that you have a confluence area here, and if it bounces back here, it will go up. But I have also shown you the other the other trade setup, which is based on the fact that if it closes above this level and holds above this level, and then you have your trade setup. You see it? Where did it do it? Here it tried to close, but this is just one candle. Also look at look at the rejection wick, and this is an invalid signal. And then the second candle, you see exactly where it did close. It closed below. Okay, but what happened here? We have two signals. The first one is a very big aggressive candle to the upside. The second signal, what is it? Here, a higher low, because it's higher than this one, higher low. And then what is the third signal? Third signal is that the next candle is very small, meaning that like sellers don't have the upper hand this time and weren't able to close lower. And then where would you enter? You would enter at the retest of this level, or if you are more conservative, you would enter here. Like you would wait for the breakout of this inside bar. Okay, and look at how much price went up. How much price traveled up, huh? So this is just one example of what I'm giving. I'm giving all this information for free, and I don't understand how others are getting paid and selling signals where they just spew or throw, buy here, sell here, etc. They just using maybe even an automated software to send you these signals. They're not even trading the same signals, and they wouldn't trade these signals because they know they are going to lose money if they do. So they're just selling these signals, and some people are using these signals, and then at the end when they lose money, they start complaining, why did I lose money, etc., etc. This guy is a scammer, etc. No, he's not a scammer. He's doing what you've asked him to do. He's just sending you signals because you are too lazy to understand that trading is not about just a signal. It's not about a signal. Like here, if I would given like an opportunity to trade here, let's take we are talking about signals, right? So you would enter. I'm going to remove all of these, and then we will see like the next trade of this week. This makes me crazy, but anyways, have to do it. Anyways, sorry, really sorry about it. So he will give you a signal here, and do you see all the drawdown that you would go through? Because price reached this level, because a signal, what is a signal? Like he says, if price reaches this level, then you buy. But look at the drawdown. It's crazy. Maybe you would have lost your account, or you have closed like with a loss. But look at this drawdown. Look at this drawdown. Compare compare this drawdown with this one. There is no comparison, and this is the kind of trades I'm giving, you know, like all over. Because I am a trader. So when you are a trader, you give people, you know, like opportunities that are low risk. You are not giving them, you know, like, you're not just, you know, like randomly saying, oh, this is the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. All right, so this is the 61% Fibonacci retracement. Okay, great. I will tell him to buy just above, and that's it. And this is the signal. But the signal is very, I mean, it's a very risky signal that is given. Anyways, so what I would expect you to do right now, I suspect, and there is a very high chance that, you know, like this high is going to be tagged and this is going to be corrected. But first of all, I would like to see, you know, like price to correct back maybe to this, you know, like to confirm that, you know, like we have right now a support that is strong enough that buyers will never let price, you know, like go beyond this support, and then you would have, you know, like a double bottom here, and then you can buy. Okay, so this is it for today. And if this is the first time you're watching this video, all my videos are educational, so I'm giving you more than just, you know, like showing you levels, etc., and stop orders, I mean buy and stop, I mean entry levels, and, you know, like stop loss, you know, like levels, etc. I'm not doing this. I'm showing you how to trade, or how to think about trading to reduce your risk and increase the potential, you know, like profit, because it's just a potential profit. The most important thing is to decrease your risk. So when you decrease your risk, you get the opportunity to enter in the most interesting trades that happen in a year, because in a year you are going to catch 300, 400 pips move, but you are going to do it maybe 2, 3, 4 times at most. Do you want to be alive? Do you want to be, you know, like there? Do you want to have an account with some money when these opportunities, you know, like arise or happen? You want to be there, but you don't want to be risking any kind of trade. You don't want to be risking, you know, like your account, or, you know, like a 5% of your account in each trade. This is crazy, and this is what most of them are advocating, and this is crazy. You have to be patient, and of course it's, you know, like you'll see trades that go that doesn't go your way, or you'll see you'll be missing some trades, etc. It happens. This is life. You have to go over it, and you have to go past it, and you have to be patient. You have to be patient, like you know, like a hunter, like a lion or whatever, you know, like an animal in, you know, like in the jungle. An animal in the jungle can sit there and wait, you know, like for the prey to come, and to have the right opportunity before, you know, like he starts, you know, like running. Why? Because he doesn't have that energy to waste on any, you know, like prey that he sees. So if he sees, you know, like a prey, he's not going to automatically start running over it. He will wait for the weakest and the easiest prey before he runs. Why? Because his energy is limited. Because if he tries to catch any prey, what will happen at the end? He will be too tired, and he will die starvation. He will die by starvation. And this is exactly what happens to traders. They see an opportunity, and they start feeling, you know, like that fear. They start feeling that fear of missing out, and they want to catch that trade, and they want to catch the next one, and they want to catch that one. And what happens at the end? They lose everything, because they want it all, and it's not possible. What's possible is to catch, is to be profitable, a little bit profitable, and then to catch the move 1, 2, 3, 4 a year, or 5 a year moves that are going to change. I mean, that are going to make an impact, a real impact on your account, and real impact on your equity. This is how trading works. But the rest of the days you can be a little bit profitable, and you can even be, you know, stay, you know, like keep a break even, you know, like state, or be a little bit profitable, and it's all right. Why? Because you didn't lose money. because you losing money is what breaks almost all traders. Okay, so think about it. And if you see right now, because there were traders that shorted the indices, but these traders are the ones that are, like, waiting for the opportunity. They have a long, they think long term, and they wait for the right opportunity, for the right level. They would open, like, monthly charts, etc., and they will look, like, in monthly charts, they will be waiting for that opportunity to come. They can wait 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months. They will wait until that opportunity is there. Okay, right now I'm giving you lots of opportunities, but I always give you opportunities with low risk. Why? Because I know that it's important for you and for anyone that is trading to wait until it happens and then to trade. So people that are, like, that are complaining because, like, they are getting signals, they are not getting enough signals, etc., they should be, the signals provider should be, like, sending them 10 to 20 signals per day, are completely crazy. So, because it doesn't work like this. What really works is, like, to pick 1 or 2 pairs or 1 or 2 trades a day, and then, like, focus on these trades that look much better than the others. So selective, be selective. Anyways, thank you very much, and I will be back, like, with another video. And I still have, like, 4 Forex videos after this one. So if you want, you can watch these videos. They are going to be published, like,